I'm still scared now, okay, after that road. Okay, so for me, this truck is really made for this place, right? Even it looks good, it looks tough, it's very nice in the city, but this is nicer and you can maximize the use of this truck in this kind of place. Oh, the ride is so soft. And look at this. It's very easy for the truck. And I don't care about the gas because they gave me this truck in full tank in Manila. I drive it going to Antipolo last night, almost full. And where we are now? Here. Going to Campwell. Wow! I can't believe. Let's go! Malapit na tayo sa ilog. And we need to grill our lamb because I think it's already towed. Is it towed? Past tense? Defrost? Huh?
Maybe not yet. Let's check.
Alright. It's very hard.
It's very hard meat.
No, it's very hard to say English always. Okay?
Okay.
I'm very sorry, guys.
Oh, it's okay.
Wait. Oh my God! Look at that! Huh? Wow!